Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another pickaxe in Fortnite, and this time it's going to be the guiding glow. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the lantern first because it's kind of in front of the whole pickaxe. So right here we're just going to draw in almost a circle, and I'm going to make this area flat a little bit on both sides, but if it's easier for you, you can draw in pretty much a big circle. That will work too. Okay, if you want to make it flat, then just kind of draw two lines like this first and then just draw a bracket around it. Okay, and then from there we're going to add in one section on the bottom. So just draw a little bracket on the side and then close it off with a slant. And then same thing on the top here. So I'm going to go up and then just close it off. And then I'm going to draw in one more section on the top. So just come in a little bit smaller. Just close that off. Okay, and then from here we're going to draw in the little bow right on the top right here first. So just draw in, it's almost like a little, almost like a little square, just kind of round it off a little bit. So that's actually going to be part of the bow. And then once you have that, there's going to be a ring attached to the bow. So just gonna be on the inside here. Just draw like a little tube from one side and then the other side. I know it looks a little bit weird, but it's this whole lantern thing is hanging on the bow. Okay, and then once we have that, we're gonna draw in the actual bow. So we're gonna come out on both sides, and then we're just gonna keep it angular, just kind of go wrap it all the way around. So I'm gonna come down and just go back into the lantern, right behind the lantern. Alright, and then once we have that, we're gonna add in some thickness to this. So we're gonna start in right here, just kind of go out and just come back in. And you can make it a little bit angular like this. Okay, so once we've drawn this, there's gonna be we're gonna see on the inside right here. So we're just gonna draw in just two little lines there so that we can just close everything off. And we'll be able to see that a little bit better once we color it. Okay, so once we have this, we're gonna finish off the little bow, the little loose ends. So this side's gonna come out right behind the lantern and just close that off. And then on this side, we're gonna come down here. Angle it back in, so that's gonna be another loose end. Okay, so after this we're pretty much done with this lantern. Now we can actually draw in the axe. So right above this the bow right here, I'm drawing one line across, so all the way here, and then go past. Okay, and then from here we're just gonna come down into the lantern, so this is behind everything. And then on the top here, just draw a little dome shape. Okay, so now we're gonna draw in the tip of the axe. So right here, slant, and then we're gonna go out some more. Okay, and then we're gonna come back all the way down. So past this point here. So we're gonna come down and just kind of give it a nice little curve past this point here. Okay, and then now let's draw on the other side. So we're gonna come out here, straight across, down, and then from this point, we're just gonna draw a curve connecting that. So nice and easy. Okay, so that's the side of the axe, and then now we can add in some detail. So we're gonna draw another curve, just kind of following this curve. And let's add in a little bit of detail here, just on the axe. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and the handle is really easy, and I'm not gonna be able to draw as long. So we're gonna follow this line here. Okay, so from the top here, we're gonna follow that. We're just gonna go all the way down. Or go out of the camera right here. Okay, so let's go back up here. So I don't wanna go down too far. So I'm gonna continue this. It's gonna be nice and wide. pretty thick looking axe. Okay, so the handle, we're gonna keep going. And you can make yours a little bit longer. Okay, so keep going and just kind of curve it at the end here. Close it off. And we can add in a little bit of a detail here, maybe some wood grain. Okay, and then lastly, it's got some spikes right here, which is pretty odd. And there's a couple more down here. Okay, and then let's add in a little bit more wood grain in here. So I'm just kind of drawing some lines. And that is it for this guiding glow pickaxe in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.